Hello guys, welcome to the part 3. My name is Kathan Agarwal and I'm studying in Nika University. So we'll be continuing our chat application tutorial, and today we will be covering uh, how chat interface looks, not looks, but how chat interface shows up only after login. So we'll move forward with that. So as we have worked yesterday till here, which was the part 2, let's check out here like what exactly on the stage we are. So we are here and it asks please enter the name right now. Okay, so we will be editing something here to proceed further, and which is we'll be opening a PHP tab here, and we'll be giving a command if isset session name and we will simply close the PHP. Yep, I will simply close the PHP tab, and we have this here already. We'll just close the head here, and so basically what this will do is, if user is not logged in, I'm talking about line number 33. So if user is not logged in, it will show the login form. Let me write the comment here. If user not logged in, show login form. No, let's proceed. That will again open a PHP tab here. We'll close it. Else. And again we'll simply close PHP. Sorry. So sorry. So coming on to the main chat interface, which will start from div id equals wrapper div id equals menu p class equals welcome. Sorry. So in capital it will show welcome to us when a user is logged in. PHP echo session name, and we will simply close it. Hang on to the next one. P class equals logout equals exit. And we'll simply close the div here. So coming on to the chat box, then again we'll open a PHP. So we'll be loading a statement, so which is like if file exists. So it's like if like loading existing message if chat log is chat log exists. So yeah. We are connecting here log.html, which will be eventually an auto loading file. So you don't have to create one, but it will be automatically created later. Contents file get contents. So it will be loading all the content from to the log.html. Contents simply to close all. I think I did it 2 times. Let me remove it, please. Okay, so we'll also close. I think yes, we opened the PHP somewhere. Yep, we opened the PHP here, so we have to obviously close PHP here and close div as well, and form name will give message. Action. User MST. Itself, and simply we will close it. Then again we'll go to input name equals submit mst and type equals submit, and we'll give it submit st, and value we will give send. So by this we will see the button send basically. I think okay, I forgot to put this here, and we will simply close it with close it with as we completed here. We'll close form, we'll close div as well, and yes, I think let's proceed and maybe check if it works. Oh yes, it shows welcome Kathan. There is some issue because it should come here, the text box here. File exits, okay. Let's check. Oh yeah, it's working. It's completely working. So yes guys, this will be the majorly part 3 of our chatapp tutorial, and it only shows the interface after logging in. So you can clearly see that it shows the message welcome Kathan. So after logging in, it is showing the chat box. So we have entered the welcome message here, the welcome button as well, you can see, and it is fetching the name, like echo means printing, and the session name, it is fetching the name. So whichever name will be mentioned there, it will be fetching it directly. Okay guys, so last but not least, I'll be adding a comment here, which will be comments here. This will be the main chat. Oops, sorry. Main chat interface, and I'll be closing this tab here, and here I'll be adding load existing message if chat log file exists. So what does it mean is for example, if you go to htdoc folder and you open your chat application folder there, so it would automatically create a log file over there. So for example, if you delete that log file, it will still work, but it won't show the past data which was there inside. And the next and the last step is of committing the code to GitHub. So let's move forward with that, sorry. And it will be show okay. check the comment. I think I'm checking the wrong repository, I guess. Yep, we have 4 commits, and just 1 minute ago it is show chat interface. So if you click it here, you will be able to see what changes we made and where exactly we made. Yes. And yes, thank you guys. I hope that my videos are really beneficial for you, and yes, thank you so much guys.